नमस्कार सभी को। आपने पॉलिनोमियल का बेसिक कंसेप्ट वाला वीडियो देख ही लिया होगा। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल विच इज वेरी important or needs to be understand for class 10th and 9th students. So classification of polynomials. So actually polynomials are broadly categorized in two groups. One, on the basis of number of terms. Number of terms. Second, on the basis of degree of polynomial. So on the basis of number of terms, we have first one is monomial. So here mono means one, that means having only one term. So you can say 7x, 5y, 3x, y, z. They all are having only one term because there is no basic operations. No two terms are added or subtracted. So there is only one term, 7x, 5y, 3x, y, z. It includes all real numbers also. Second is binomial. That means having two terms. So you can say 7x square plus 3, 5x plus y, like this. So here the two terms are 7x square and 3, and in that case 5x and y. So two terms are either added or subtracted. So in polynomial, the terms are differentiated by addition and subtraction operations. So we may include one example in which the basic operation is subtraction. For example, 3x minus 5. So here the term is 3x and the second term is 5, and they are separated from each other by minus. So in polynomial, the terms are added or subtracted, or terms are separated from each other by addition or by subtraction. For three terms, we have trinomial. Trinomial means three terms. So you can write it as 7x plus 5y plus 4, or 3x square plus 6x minus 5, anything. Next, quadrinomial, having four terms. Then we have pentanomial, having 5 terms. Then we have 6, that is hexanomial, having 6 terms. Then we have heptanomial, having 7 terms. Next we have octanomial, having 8 terms. Nonanomial, having 9 terms, and 10 is decanomial, having 10 terms. And later on we can proceed further also. So these are on the basis of number of terms. So these are the first category of polynomials. And the second group of polynomials, or they are classified in the second group on the basis of the degree of the polynomial. So first is a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial is of degree 1. Its general form is ax plus b, where AB belongs to real number and A should not be equal to 0. Because if A equals to 0, then this term will vanish. 0 multiplied by x is 0, and the result will be only a constant. Second, we have quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2. General form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c belongs to R and a should not be equal to 0. The same thing, if a becomes 0, then this term will vanish. 0 into x square is 0, and it will reduce to a linear polynomial. The third is cubic polynomial having degree 3. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general form of this polynomial, where a, b, c, d belongs to R, and the same condition that a should not be equal to 0, because a is the coefficient of the highest degree term 3. So when this a becomes 0, then this term will vanish and we are left with bx square plus cx plus d, which is an expression of quadratic polynomial. And similarly, we have biquadratic polynomial having degree 4. Then we have quintic polynomial having degree 5. Then we have what we call that hextic polynomial having degree 6. Heptic polynomial having degree 7. Then we have octic polynomial having degree 8. Then we have nonic polynomial having degree 9, and 10 is decic polynomial having degree 10, and we can proceed further. So when I mean to say linear polynomial, that means it can have maximum 2 terms. Maximum 2 terms. So it includes monomial and binomial. Quadratic polynomial, it can have maximum 3 terms. So it can be monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Similarly, cubic polynomial, it can have maximum 4 terms. So a cubic polynomial may be monomial, binomial, trinomial, and quadrinomial, and so on. Like this we can proceed. So this is about the classification of polynomials, which is that the polynomials are categorized in 2 ways: on the basis of the number of terms and on the basis of degree of polynomials. So you must aware of these, and you must aware of the naming at least up to 10 terms or up to degree 10. That's all from my side. Thank you.